Isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat.
Sa umagang ito, tayo ay nagtipon-tipon upang ipagdiwang ang araw ng pagkilala na may temang
Pilipinong nagsipagtapos, handang mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. Pagkilala sa pagsusumikap, determinasyon at kahusayan ng mga mag-aaral at sa natatanging kontribusyon ng lahat ng mga magulang, guro at tagapayo sa paghubog ng kabataang Pilipino tungo sa pagtaguyod ng mas maliwanag at matatag na kinabukasan para sa ating bansa.
Sa pagkakataong ito, ating simulan ang prosesyonal na pangungunahan ng ating mga kagalang-galang na tagapamahala ng paaralan.
Nasusundan ng ating mga panauhin at masisipag na mga guro. Isang masigabong palakpakan para sa ating lahat.
Sa pagsisimula ng ating palatuntunan, manatiling nakatayo at maghanda para sa sama-samang pag-awit ng Lupang Hinirang sa patnubay ni Sir Suiceres Villacruz, Teacher 2.
Nasusundan naman ang isang taimtim na panalangin upang humingi ng gabay at pagpapala na pangungunahan ni Joshua M. Victorino, may karangalan mula sa IA Strand para sa Kristiyanong Panalangin, at Isan Faisal Amir M. Balayanan para may karangalan mula sa STEM Strand para sa Panalangin Islam.
Ito'y susundan ng pag-awit ng himno ng Rehiyon 12, himno ng lalawigan ng Sultan Kudarat, himno ng lungsod ng Tacorong at himno ng Tacorong National High School.
Sa sandaling ito ng pagkilala, inaanyayahan ko po ang lahat na yumuko at makiisa sa isang panalangin. Mapagpalang Diyos, sa araw na ito ng pagkilala, kami po ay buong pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa mga biyaya, talino, at lakas na inyong ipinagkaloob sa amin. Ang mga parangal na aming tinatanggap ay hindi lamang bunga ng aming pagsisikap, kundi patunay ng inyong patuloy na paggabay sa amin. Salamat din po sa aming mga magulang, guro, at sa lahat ng sumuporta sa aming paglalakbay. Naway manatili sa aming puso ang kababaang loob sa bawat pagkilalang aming natatanggap at magsilbi itong inspirasyon upang lalo pa naming pagbutihin ang aming ginagawa. Tulungan po ninyo kaming gamitin ang aming kakayahan hindi para sa sarili lamang, kundi para makatulong sa iba at makapagbigay ng kabutihan sa aming komunidad. Patuloy po ninyo kaming gabayan hanggang sa aming pagtatapos at sa mga susunod pang hakbang ng aming buhay. Maraming salamat po. Ang lahat ng papuri ay sa inyo. Sa ngalan ng Panginoong Hesus na siyang tagapagligtas. Amen.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى أن رآه استغنى إن إلى ربك الرجعى أرأيت الذي ينهى أبدا إذا صلى أرأيت إن كان على الهدى أو أمر بالتقوى أرأيت إن كذب وتولى ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى كلا لئن لم ينته لنسفعا بالناصية ناصية كاذبة خاتية فليدع نادية سندع الزبانية كلا لا تطعه واسجد واقترب صدق الله العظيم.
Magsiupo ang lahat. Sa umagang ito, ating bigyang pugay ang inyong mga sakripisyo at suporta ng inyong mga magulang at guro. Sama-sama nating ipagbunyi ang inyong mga narating at ang mga darating pang tagumpay ng kabataang Pilipino.
Sa ating pansangay na taga-pamanihala ng mga paaralan sa lungsod ng Tacorong, Sir Hildo G. Mosqueda, CEO 6.
Pansangay na kawaksing taga-pamanihala ng mga paaralan sa lungsod ng Tacorong, Sir Hilbert B. Barrera, Sese.
Sa ating mahal na punong guro, Sir Martin I. Diaz, at mga katuwang na punong guro, Ma'am Esther M. Yuliaran at Sir Lloyd A. Dalaya, PhD.
Senior High School Academic Coordinator, Ma'am Marisa D. Uy.
Grade level heads, mga strand heads, department heads, guro, magulang, panauhin at sa ating mga magsisipagtapos, isang magandang umaga sa ating lahat.
Sa ating pagpapatuloy, ating pakinggan ang mensahe ng pagtanggap ni Angela Y. Dugando, may mataas na karangalan mula sa Hume Strand.
Ang pagtatapos ay hindi katapusan, kundi simula ng mas malaking pangarap at mas matibay na paninindigan sa buhay. Sa lahat ng mga nandito sa pagtitipong ito, magandang araw. Kami po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat at malugod na bumabati sa inyong lahat. Isang malaking karangalan ang tumayo sa harap ninyo upang ihatid ang mensahe ng pagtanggap sa napakahalagang araw na ito sa aming buhay. Ang inyong presensya ay nagbibigay inspirasyon at saya sa pagdiriwang na ito at nagbibigay halaga sa aming mga pagsisikap. Sa araw na ito, ipinagdiriwang natin ang 3 taon ng pagkilala ng Tacorong National High School sa sipag, talino, at dedikasyon ng mga mag-aaral at pagbibigay pugay sa mga magulang at guro na siyang naging pundasyon at bahagi ng aming bawat tagumpay. Ito ay patunay na ang ating paaralan ay patuloy na humuhubog ng mga kabataang handang humarap sa kinabukasan. Ang araw na ito ay hindi lamang simbolo ng pagtatapos, kundi isang patunay ng aming pagsusumikap, pagtatyaga, at pananalig sa aming mga pangarap. Ito ay bunga ng maraming sakripisyo, hindi lamang namin bilang mga mag-aaral, kundi pati na rin ng aming mga magulang, guro, at lahat ng taong naniwala sa amin. Sa aking mga kapwa mag-aaral, narito na tayo sa puntong matagal nating hinintay. Hindi naging madali ang ating mga pinagdaanan. May mga araw na tila napakahirap ng mga aralin. Mga gabing kulang ang tulog dahil sa mga gawain. At mga sandaling pinanghihinaan tayo ng loob. May mga pagkakataon ding tayo ay nagkamali, nadapa, at muntik nang sumuko. Ngunit sa kabila ng lahat ng ito, pinili nating magpatuloy. Pinili nating bumangon sa bawat pagkadapa. Pinili nating maniwala sa ating sarili kahit mahirap. At dahil doon, narito tayo ngayon. Mas matatag, mas matapang, at mas handa sa mga hamon ng buhay. Sa ating mga magulang, taus-puso po kaming nagpapasalamat sa inyong walang sawang pagmamahal at suporta. Kayo po ang aming lakas sa bawat hakbang ng aming paglalakbay. Sa bawat sakripisyo ninyo, sa inyong pagod, pagtitiis, at pag-unawa. Ang araw na ito ay patunay na sulit ang lahat. Ang tagumpay na ito ay hindi lamang para sa amin, kundi para sa inyo rin. Sa aming mga guro, maraming salamat po sa inyong dedikasyon at malasakit. Hindi lamang po kayo nagturo ng mga aralin, kundi nagturo rin kayo ng mga mahahalagang leksyon sa buhay. Tinuruan ninyo kaming maging responsable, matatag, at mangarap ng mas mataas. Kayo po ang nagsilbing gabay at ilaw sa aming landas. Ang pagkilalang ito ay hindi lamang para sa aming mga estudyante, kundi para sa lahat ng taong naging bahagi ng aming paglalakbay. Ito ay bunga ng pagtutulungan, sakripisyo, at pagmamahal ng bawat isa. Darating ang panahon na tayo ay tatahak sa iba't ibang landas. Maaaring hindi na tayo muling magsasama-sama sa iisang silid-aralan. Ngunit ang mga alaala na ating pinagsaluhan ay mananatili sa ating mga puso. Ang mga aral na ating natutunan ay magsisilbing gabay natin saan man tayo dalhin ng ating mga pangarap. Sa huli, naway magsilbi itong paalala na ang bawat tagumpay ay bunga ng pagsisikap at tulong ng ating kapwa. Huwag nating kalimutan kung saan tayo nagsimula at ang mga taong tumulong sa atin upang makarating dito. Noon, tayo ay mga nangangarap na may pag-aalinlangan. Ngayon, tayo ay mga nangangarap na handa ng lumipad. At bukas, tayo ay magiging inspirasyon sa iba. Sapagkat hindi ito wakas ng ating landas. Ito ay simula ng pag-angat sa bukas. Muli, sa ngalan ng aking kapwa magsisipagtapos, kayo ay malugod naming tinatanggap sa 3 taon ng pagkilala ng Tacorong National High School. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Maraming salamat sa iyong mensahe ng pagtanggap, Angela. Sa dakong ito, ating pakinggan at ipagkaloob ang isang mainit na palakpakan sa ating katuwang na punong guro, Ma'am Esther M. Yuliaran, para sa kanyang pambungad na pananalita. Ma'am.
Maraming salamat. Isang magandang umaga sa ating lahat. My due respect to the father of our division, Hildo G. Mosqueda, CEO 6. Same respect is accorded to our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Hilbert B. Barrera, Sese. To our untiring and relentless principal, Sir Martin I. Diaz, Principal 3, along with my partner, the assistant to the principal for the senior high school, Sir Lloyd Dalaya, PhD. Same respect to our former principal, Freddy T. Delantar, Sr. Of course, to our 2 academic coordinators for the junior high school and senior high school, Ma'am Jean T. Fermin and Ma'am Mariza Uy, respectively. Curriculum heads, dear teachers and non-teaching personnel. To you, our dear parents who are the stars for today's event, and our dear graduates. Isang napakagandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ang araw na ito ay itinalaga hindi lamang para sa inyo na magsisipagtapos, bagkos ganun din sa inyo aming minamahal na mga magulang at mga guardians. Alam namin ang inyong mga paghihirap, ang inyong pagsusumikap upang makamit ng mga batang ito ang kanilang kinalalagyan ngayon. Kami din ay mga magulang katulad nyo, mayroong mga responsibilidad at danas at dama din namin ang inyong pinagdaanan para lamang maibigay sa inyong mga anak ang ganitong pagkakataon. Hindi lahat ng bata na nangangarap na makapagtapos ng senior high school ay natutupad. Mayroong nabibigo at mayroong kinakailangan pang lalong magsumikap upang makapagtapos. Ang araw na ito, higit kailanman ay napakahalaga dahil bibigyan natin ng karangalan hindi lamang ang inyong mga anak, kundi kayo rin. Dahil kung wala kayo, hindi magiging posible ang araw na ito. To all our dear co-teachers, thank you so much for molding this young generation to be the shaper of tomorrow. They will become the leaders of the future. As our theme quotes, Pilipinong nagsipagtapos, handang mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. Competence and character, the 2 C's that you must always remember, dear graduating students. Competence means your ability to be able to handle things, your mastery of the competencies, skills, knowledge, and everything that is provided in our K to 10 Matatag curriculum, which I believe have enhanced your capability to be able to combat anything that would hinder your way to covet your most coveted success. Character is what shapes you as an individual. Kung wala ang dalawang ito, ang pagiging may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao, hindi magiging madali ang magtagumpay sa ganitong uri ng society. Alam nating lahat, ang buhay ngayon ay napakahirap. Only the fittest survives. And your only weapon to become successful is to be a full-fledged graduate in your own chosen career. Probably, pagkatapos ng araw ng Martes na magsisipagtapos na kayo, iba-iba ang landas na inyong tutunguhin. Merong iba na magpapatuloy sa kolehiyo, may iba na titigil muna pansamantala upang maghanap ng trabaho, tumulong sa mga magulang, and eventually proceed with what you are dreaming of pag may naipon na. You will be joining the strong force in our society, and that makes you something that the society will be proud of. Ang ibig kong sabihin, iba-iba ang landas na inyong tutunguhin, but I believe Tacurong National High School have shaped you, your teachers have molded you to become models in the society. With that, live up to your dreams, exceed our expectations, and never forget the alma mater that brought you to what you are now and what you will become in the future. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga sa ating lahat.
Maraming salamat sa iyong pambungad na mensahe, Ma'am Esther.
Ang araw na ito ay hindi lamang pagkilala sa natatanging husay at galing. Ito rin ay araw na puno ng pasasalamat sa lahat ng mga nakibahagit tumulong upang makamit ninyo ang tagumpay. Kaya sa dakong ito, halina't pakinggan natin ang isang inspirasyonal na awit na ihahandog ng ating mga magsisipagtapos. Ang awiting isinulat ni Pasito Lumbas Sargado na pinamagotang Shine Our Light.
We walked these halls with hope in our hearts, learning new things from the very start. We laughed, we tried, we learned each day. Now we're ready to find our way.
Reading books to counting stars. We traveled near and dreamed so far. Every challenge, every lesson made us strong, made us strong. Let me sing this song. Friends and teachers who help us grow. Now it's time to spread our wings and let our dreams.
Maraming salamat sa inyong inspirasyonal na awit at mabuhay kayong lahat. Sa bahaging ito, ating saksihan ang seremonya ng paggawad. Ito ang natatanging pagkakataon upang kilalanin at ipagdiwang ang kanilang mga natatanging tagumpay at pagsisikap.
Amin pong inaanyayahan ang ating punong guro, Sir Martin I. Diaz, at mga katuwang na punong guro, Ma'am Esther M. Yuliaran at Sir Lloyd A. Dalaya, PhD.
Katuwang din po ang ating Senior High School Academic Coordinator, Ma'am Marisa D. Oy, Junior High School Academic Coordinator, Ma'am Jean Fermin.
At ang ating Senior High School Registrar, Ma'am Maricris C. Escanio, at tagapayo ng mga magsisipagtapos. Pangungunahan ito ng academic track, Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand,
Accountancy, Business and Management strand.
Humanities and Social Sciences strand. At sa Technical, Vocational, and Livelihood track naman ay ang Information and Communications Technology strand.
Home Economics strand. Electrical Installation and Maintenance at Automotive Servicing na parehong nagmula sa Industrial Arts.
Narito ang mga magsisipagtapos mula sa Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand na tatanggap ng mga natatanging karangalan.
Agon Krisha Juliana Lasibal. She will receive the following awards: Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts in English, Filipino, Science, Athletics, Social Science, Research and Work Immersion.
She is also a recipient of Leadership Award for being the President of the STEM Council, Stargazers Outstanding Journalist of the Year, and Stargazers Editor-in-Chief, Champion 2025 Science and Technology Fair, and Regional Science and Technology Fair Qualifier, and Loyalty Award. Krisha Juliana L. Agon will also receive a gold medal and a certificate of insurance worth 100,000 pesos under M. Wheeler Family Protect Program.
Abwakan Blesha Merrill Andaya. She will receive awards for outstanding performance in science, research, innovation, work immersion, and loyalty award.
Aligonero Crisel Jade Melesio. She will receive awards for outstanding performance in research, innovation, work immersion, and loyalty award.
Aujero Princess Saivel Lucci. She will receive awards for standing performance in science, research, innovation, and work immersion.
Picudo Sheena Grace Francisco. She is a recipient of Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts in English, Athletics, Research, Work Immersion, and Loyalty Award.
Raques Angel Taisel Dayon. She will receive awards for outstanding performance in science, work immersion, and loyalty award. Domingo Koji Jan Tolentino. He will receive the following awards: Outstanding Performance in Arts, Athletics, Communication Arts in English, Science, Social Science, Work Immersion, Research and Innovation.
He will also receive special recognition as Stargazers Journalism Awardee, Champion 2025 Science and Technology Fair, and Regional Science and Technology Fair Qualifier, Champion, National Statistics Month Quiz Bee, and Loyalty Award.
Enriquez Kirk Errol Lorenzo. He is a recipient of Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts in English, Science, Work Immersion, Research, and Loyalty Award.
Escosora Christian Harvey Celeste. He will receive Outstanding Performance in Athletics, Arts, Communication Arts in English, Filipino, Science, Mathematics, Work Immersion, Research, and Innovation.
He will also receive special recognition as Stargazers Journalism Awardee, Champion 2025 Science and Technology Fair and Regional Science and Technology Fair Qualifier, 2025 Regional Math Olympic Qualifier, and Loyalty Award. Speha Tricia May Pamposa. She will receive Outstanding Performance in Athletics, Work Immersion, and Service Award as Supreme Secondary Learner Government Officer as Student Welfare Committee.
Gaurana Nathaniel Caballero. He will receive Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts English, Science, Social Science, Work Immersion, Research, and Special Recognition as Stargazers Journalism Awardee, Champion 2026 Division Festival of Talents and Regional Festival of Talents Qualifier, and Loyalty Award.
Gonzaga John Barry Ortizo. He is a recipient of Outstanding Performance in Athletics, Communication Arts in English, Science, Social Science, Work Immersion, and Research.
Special recognition includes Leadership Award as SSLG Officer, Special Project Committee, Leadership Award for his service as Student Medic of the Year, special recognition on his achievements in clubs and organization as STEM Council Officer, and Loyalty Award.
Gonzales Vince Ivan Vargas. He will receive the following awards: Outstanding Performance in Science, Work Immersion, Research, and Innovation, special recognition on his achievement in Robotics Club, Champion 2025 Science and Technology Fair and Regional Science and Technology Fair Qualifier, and Loyalty Award.
Herbolario Irish. She will receive Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion, Research, Innovation, Service Awardee as SSLG Officer, Special Project Committee, and Loyalty Award.
Gizon Hermie Arellano. He will receive Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts in English, Athletics, Work Immersion, Research, and Service Award as Student Medic of the Year.
Luzol Quincy Jane Parcon. She will receive Outstanding Performance in Athletics, Communication Arts Filipino, Science, Work Immersion, Research, and Innovation. His special recognition includes Leadership Award as SLG Officer, Production Committee Chair, and Student Correspondent, Stargazers Journalism Award, and Loyalty Award.
Kitab Norjana Kabugatan. She is a recipient of Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts in English, Athletics, Social Science, Work Immersion.
Her special recognition, Leadership Award as SLG Treasurer, Stargazers Journalism Award, Leadership and Service Award as Student Medic of the Year, Best in English Radio Broadcasting, and second place overall radio production, City of Coronadal Cooperative Month Enter-School Competition.
Lamera Rotheldon Subaldo. She will receive Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts in English, Filipino, Science, Mathematics, Work Immersion, Research, and Innovation.
And will also receive special recognition as Stargazers Journalism Award, Champion 2025 Science and Technology Fair, and Regional Science and Technology Fair Qualifier, to 2025 Regional Math Olympic Qualifier and Loyalty Award.
Legas Catherine Joy Santiago. She will receive Outstanding Performance in Athletics, Science, Work Immersion, Research and Innovation.
She will also receive special recognition for her achievement as champion 2025 Science and Technology Fair and fourth placer Regional Science and Technology Fair Robotics and Intelligent Machine category and Loyalty Award.
Mendoza Daniela Marjan de la Cruz. She is a recipient of Outstanding Performance in Athletics, Communication Arts in English, Filipino, Social Science, Work Immersion, Research and Innovation, and special recognition as Stargazers Journalism Award and Loyalty Award.
Miguel Micaela Nicha. She will receive Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts English, Filipino, Science, Work Immersion, Research and Innovation, and special recognition as Stargazers Journalism Award and Loyalty Award.
Milano Jairus Benedict Villa. He will receive Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts in English, Science, Work Immersion, Research and Innovation, special recognition as Champion 2025 Science and Technology Fair and Regional Science and Technology Fair Qualifier and Loyalty Award.
Morao Zaira Lois Ovinal. She is a recipient of Outstanding Performance in Arts, Athletics, Communication Arts English, Science, Work Immersion and Research. Special recognition as Stargazers Journalism Award, Champion 2025 Science and Technology Fair and Regional Science and Technology Fair Qualifier and Loyalty Award.
Moreno Rochelle May Ventilacion. She will receive Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts in English, Work Immersion, Research and Loyalty Award.
Nobleza Jolia Cristel Joy Serran. She will receive Outstanding Performance in Science, Work Immersion and Loyalty Award.
Babilona Jessica Rose Langa will receive Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Loyalty Award.
Pamposa Antoinette Rain Aniversario. She is a recipient of the following awards: Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts English, Science, Work Immersion, Research and Innovation, special recognition as Champion 2025 Science and Technology Fair and Regional Science and Technology Fair Qualifier and Loyalty Award.
Pantorilla Cheska Adri Lasanas will receive an Outstanding Performance in Science and Work Immersion and Loyalty Award.
Pasandalan Yusuf Sali Kanapia. He is a recipient of Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts English, Science, Work Immersion, Research and Innovation, special recognition as Stargazers Journalism Award, Champion 2025 Science and Technology Fair and Regional Science and Technology Fair Qualifier and Loyalty Award.
Xiaotong View Mission Rafanan. She is a recipient of Outstanding Performance in Athletics, Work Immersion and Loyalty Award.
Suyat April Kyle Masbate. Outstanding Performance in Science and Work Immersion.
Ahmad Ralph Jester Vigno. He is a recipient of Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion, Leadership Award and Service Award as Student Medic of the Year and Loyalty Award.
Alamon Keith Rainier Solania. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion, Research and Loyalty Award.
Aligonero Crisel Joy Milicio. She is a recipient of Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Loyalty Award.
Alien Naniera Glipsi Nonyala. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Loyalty Award.
Almirante Christine Lian Balulong. She is a recipient of Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Stargazers Journalism Award and Loyalty Award.
Anila Krishna Marquez. She will receive Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Loyalty Award.
Arellano Angelan Reyes. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Loyalty Award.
Asoy Jubilin Corduba. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and 2025 Regional Math Olympic Qualifier.
Bagares Princess Mika Brina. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Loyalty Award.
Palayanan Izan Faisal Amir Mangulamas. Outstanding Performance in Science, Work Immersion, Research, Leadership Award as President of Muslim Student Organization, Stargazers Journalism Award, Second Placer 2025 Science and Technology Fair and Regional Science and Technology Fair Qualifier and Loyalty Award.
Balvin Michael Anthony Lozarita. He is a recipient of Outstanding Performance in Athletics and Work Immersion, Service Award as SSLG Officer, Student Welfare Committee, and Loyalty Award.
Baliadaris Ethan Matthew Hanolino. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion.
Barcelona Stephanie Gwen Chavez. Outstanding Performance in Arts, Athletics, Work Immersion, and Innovation, Stargazers Journalism Award, and Loyalty Award.
Barido Celine Natasha Gupa. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion. Certificate of Appreciation as member of the Junior Choir of Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria Parish and Loyalty Award.
Basisto Julian Mark Garcesto. He Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Loyalty Award.
Bebe Chan Billy Soriano. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion. Belizar Catherine Flores. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion.
Belngan Rachel May Abrio. She will receive Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Research, Special Recognition as Stargazers Journalism Awardee, Champion 2025 Science and Technology Fair and Regional Science and Technology Fair Qualifier, Best in English Radio Broadcasting, and second place, Overall Radio Production, City of Coronadal Cooperative Month, Inter-School Competition, and Loyalty Award.
Bermijo Samantha Jean Dakil. She will receive Outstanding Performance in Science, Work Immersion, Research, Innovation, and Loyalty Award.
Pitalak Amira Partisala. She is a recipient of Outstanding Performance in Athletics, Communication Arts in English, Work Immersion and Research, Special Recognition as Stargazers Journalism Awardee, Service Awardee as Student Medic of the Year, Red Cross Youth Excellence Awardee, and Loyalty Award.
Bugador Kisha Riaya Alqueza. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Loyalty Award.
Bulik Alexi Queen Zirano will receive an Outstanding Performance in Athletics and Work Immersion.
Bumbita Friends Pia Noto. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Loyalty Award.
Kabanyog Daniela May Alinsorin. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Research and Loyalty Award.
Kabundukan James Ryan Caranga. Outstanding Performance in Science, Research, Work Immersion, Special Recognition as Champion 2025 Science and Technology Fair and Regional Science and Technology Fair Qualifier.
Kabuga Andrea Gail Chavez. Outstanding Performance in Arts, Athletics, Work Immersion, and Loyalty Award.
Kagas Ruth Asley Donato. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion. Kalayko Zoe Andrea Jane Sudosta. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion. Calderon John Robert Castillon. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Loyalty Award.
Caliposo John Terence Valenzuela. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Loyalty Award. Canosa Tristan J. Distor. Outstanding Performance in Work Immersion and Loyalty Award.
Carado Lorraine Jade Ayuban, outstanding performance in work immersion. Castellanes Jasmine Heron, outstanding performance in work immersion and loyalty award. Kayunda Alea Aislinn Fuentes, outstanding performance in work immersion and loyalty award.
Cruzada Michael Angelo Gudaca, outstanding performance in work immersion, special recognition as Stargazers Journalism Awardee and Loyalty Award.
Huda Weljan Ilizan, outstanding performance in athletics and work immersion. Kumadog Abdul Muajin Latif, outstanding performance in work immersion. Danoy Alea Ledesma, outstanding performance in work immersion.
Iluna John Patrick Parcasio, outstanding performance in work immersion and research, special recognition as Stargazers Journalism Awardee.
Dedicatoria Micaela Vigno, outstanding performance in work immersion. Deferia Adrian Echosco, outstanding performance in work immersion and loyalty award.
Dila Calzada Naphtali Jr. Hikin, outstanding performance in athletics, work immersion, and Athlete of the Year and Loyalty Award.
De La Cruz Jolifer Mogan, outstanding performance in work immersion. Dilantar Janos Alfred Agrazada, he is a recipient of outstanding performance in athletics, social science, arts, work immersion, and innovation.
Delmo Maria Angelica, outstanding performance in work immersion.
De Ocampo Alster Lori Padilla, outstanding performance in work immersion and loyalty award.
Discarial Marian Bustamante, outstanding performance in work immersion and loyalty award. Diaz Alia Christine Lorenzo, outstanding performance in work immersion and loyalty award.
Duco Princess Marzalado, outstanding performance in work immersion and loyalty award. Dumaging Bethel Chen Katbakan, outstanding performance in work immersion and special recognition for her achievement in reading club and loyalty award.
Duque Beatriz Legame Santos, outstanding performance in athletics and work immersion, special recognition as Stargazers Journalism Awardee, Leadership Award as SSLG Officer, Grade 12 Representative, and Outstanding Student Medic of the Year.
Duyan Joren May Casimina, outstanding performance in work immersion. Heather Juvil Leia May Jimeno, outstanding performance in work immersion. Ilumba Mark Ranier Mejias, outstanding performance in science, work immersion, research and innovation. Service awardee as SSLG Officer, Student Welfare Committee. Service Award as Student Medical of the Year, Champion 2025 Science and Technology Fair, and fourth placer, Regional Science and Technology Fair, Robotics and Intelligent Machine category, Red Cross Youth Excellence Award.
Enrique Prince El Rio Aligarbes, outstanding performance in science, work immersion, and loyalty award.
Espino John Daniel Paba, outstanding performance in arts, athletics, work immersion, research and innovation, special recognition as Stargazers Journalism Award, Leadership and Service Award as SSLG Officer, Production Team Graphics Designer and Videographer, and Loyalty Award.
Stanislao Maui Karil Hanoto, outstanding performance in athletics, communication arts in English, work immersion, and loyalty award.
Europa Micaela Jen Panes. She is the recipient of Outstanding Performance in Arts, Communication Arts Filipino, Science, Work Immersion, Research and Innovation, Special Recognition as Stargazers Journalism Award, Leadership Award as SSLG Officer, Production Team Video Editor, special recognition on her achievement in clubs and organization as STEM Council Officer, Champion 2025 Science and Technology Fair, and fourth placer, Regional Science and Technology Fair, Robotics and Intelligent Machine category, and Loyalty Award.
Fernandez Hannah